All right. So this video is to show how to do what we call a bulk create in Canva. This is helpful if you are, especially like if you're doing any kind of journals and you just want to maybe give them on each sheet, have them have some type of journal prompt or affirmation. And I found this just to be the easiest way to do this, so that you're not like doing this 20 times or spending an extensive amount of time to do it. So I'm in Excel. And in Excel, we're going to create different journal prompts. Now, there's different ways that you can do this. You can go into something like ChatGPT, and you can ask ChatGPT, give me journal prompts for, and you can tell it. Actually, let's go there. So just so that you can see, please excuse all of my tabs. It's here. That's how my life is sometimes. So right. So it's going to just quickly give you those 10 journal prompts, and then we're going to copy and paste those into Microsoft Excel. So this is going to really take away the thinking. I am not going to overthink this. We're just going to take what they give us and we're going to utilize them. I noticed that they're giving 2 questions for each one. That's going to be fine as well. So I'm going to copy. All right, go back to Excel. Because we had 10, I'm going to select 10 cells. And I like to just do a paste. Okay. So now we have our 10 journal prompts. And now we can save this document. So you're going to save it 2 times. The first time, because I always want to be able to come back to this if I want to repurpose this for any reason. So journal prompts, single women. So that's the first time that we're saving it. The second time we're going to save it, we're going to do save as again. But this time you're going to now save it as a CSV. So you see here it says file type. Save it as a CSV. Press save. Okay. Just know where you saved your document so that you don't have to. So I'm going to just minimize this and I'm going to go now to my Canva. So I just did a quick journal page. In Canva, you can upload, you can create, but I just wanted to make this as quick as possible. Now, 2 ways that you're gonna, well, first, only people that will have access to this feature will be individuals that have Canva Pro, Canva for education, Canva for nonprofit, anyone except the free version. So you do have a free version, you will not be able to do this particular feature. So they do have free trials. So if you do want to take advantage of that, then you definitely can take advantage of it. So you're either going to see it under apps and you're going to look for bulk create. My bulk create was already here for me. So I have bulk create, but it will be on the left panel under apps or under, you might just have the option beneath it, underneath after audio, and you will have bulk create. So we're going to upload our CSV file. Okay. So you notice that the one that I saved with regular Microsoft Excel is not available. So it has to be a CSV. Click on open. Okay. So here we have it identified one field right? So the next thing that you have to do is we have to right click on where, so right now we want to use this particular title and we want to connect the data. So the data that we want to connect is the journal prompts. Okay, so it's basically looking for the journal prompts that they're going to put that. Now you can start to modify this. Um, if you want to change, and this way I say if you want to do this one time, then do it one time before you do the before you insert and before you copy. Um, because we do know that the questions had two, I'm gonna make the size a little bit smaller. This way I don't have to, it's not going to look as bulky on top. All right, so that should be good. I'm going to make this icon a little bit smaller. All right, so now that we have modified this, we don't have to make a copy of each page. We are going to allow Canva to do that for us. So we have one field, which is the journal prompts. We're going to press continue, and then it's going to eventually we'll start off this way, select all, and we have our 10 journal prompts, and now it's going to generate the 10 pages for us. So let's give it a minute. So now we automatically have those 10 journal sheets, and they each have the journal prompts. Now, this is where, because of how we have it, and because there were two different questions, I would make a decision of whether or not to take out one of the questions, or if I want to go back to Excel and I want to now make them maybe 20 questions and have it where each question is on a separate line, I can definitely do that. But this is the easiest way, like literally. This will help you to maximize your time. So between utilizing something like ChatGPT or any other AI to create those, you will be able to do that a lot faster. So you will format the sheet one time, do the bulk create, have it automatically created for you. And this is good for when you're doing like big journals, 50 pages, 60 pages, 100 pages, and it's going to like literally maximize your time. So you don't have to spend as much time trying to overthink and recreate and, just make this a longer process for yourself. So this is how a lot of people right now, especially utilizing AI and using bulk create, is going to be very successful and producing and putting out a lot of journals or just any kind of product that they need for their clients, for themselves. And when I say if you have found this to be super helpful, give me a like, and this way we'll be able to continue to give you more content. For those of you that are part of Side Hustle Trailblazers, look out for more of these types of videos that will help you in your process of creating passive income and different digital products. I am Tanisha Shanae, Miss Inspiration.